Look left, look right, and I come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right. This what the angles look like. Way up, stood high, taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life, whipping the sauce when I cook like. Look left, look right, yeah, yeah. Come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right, hook right. Make all the man them look twice. I'm way up, stood high, but I've been in the field like Suge Knight. And they know this took time. This what a legacy look like. This what a come with a come with a taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life, whipping the sauce when I cook like. Look left, look right, yeah, yeah. Come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right, hook right. Make all the man them look twice. I'm way up, stood high, but I've been in the field like Suge Knight. And they know this took time. This what a legacy look like. This what a come with a
Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. My husband had a really hard time filming all of my matches this time. He kept having to move different spots. So therefore, I know for my second match, he only filmed the first half of it. So there wasn't a ton of footage from that match. And then I ended up getting gapped at the end, so it ended a little bit sooner. So that's why there's not a ton of footage from that one. But I do hope you all enjoyed the footage that we did get. I was able to make a little bit of some highlights. I placed second at states. So just good start to the year. For now, I'm just going to be getting back into training. The next tournament isn't going to be till I think the end of May, and then also AAU Nationals in July. So for now, getting back in the swing of training, get back into my routine, and just keep on improving for the summer. I will do a new training video here soon because I know it's been a while since I've done one, and I have changed my routine a little bit since the last time you guys saw it. So I will be doing that here soon, so hopefully all are looking forward to that. Thank you all so much for the continued support. I'll see you guys in the next video.